Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the solution for this problem. Find the magnitudes of I1, I2, I3. So this is very simple to understand. So here, in order to find this current, I am going to apply Kirchhoff's current law. So apply Kirchhoff's current law at this node. So at node A, okay, it's already given. Let's try to mark this as some node B and this as some node C, more clarity. So when you apply the KCL at node A, what are the entering currents? So you can see here this 4 amperes is entering current and 8 amperes is also entering current. So 4 amperes is entering as well as 8 amperes is entering. What are the leaving currents? The leaving current is I1. So therefore I1 is equal to 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 12 amperes. So we have been successfully find the value of I1, which is nothing but 12 amperes. Okay, so now I1 is equal to, we have find the solution is 12 ampere. Now how to find the current I2? So here you try to apply Kirchhoff's current law. So what are the entering currents? So this branch is an entering current, this branch is an entering current. How many currents are there? Two currents. So 12 amperes is entering, and here you can see here 6 amperes is also entering. The leaving currents are nothing but I2. Okay, so therefore I2 is equal to, so 12 plus 6, which is nothing but we are going to get it as 18 amperes. And you can see one more current is also entering. So 12 is entering as well as 6 is entering I2, and there is one more leaving. We had forgotten this small mistake. So it is leaving as plus 3 amperes. This is plus 3. Therefore I2 is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus 3, where I2 is equal to 15 amperes. So successfully we find the value of I2 is equal to 15 amperes. So I2 is equal to 15 amperes. Now I want to find out I3 value. So what I'm going to do is apply Kirchhoff's current law at node C. So what are the entering currents? Already it is clear, I2 is entering. So I2 is nothing but 15 is entering, and what are the leaving currents? I3 as well as 5. So you should be very careful while applying KCL. You have to consider all the entering currents and leaving currents. When you solve it, I3 is equal to 10 amperes. This is how to find the solution for this. So successfully I1 is 12 ampere, I2 is 15 ampere, I3 is 10 ampere. So we successfully find the currents at all the points. You can see here 12 is entering, 12 is leaving. Very simple. Here 12 is entering and 12 and 6 is entering, which is nothing but 18. So 18 it is leaving as 15 and 3. Okay, so at this point 15 is entering and it gets divided as 5 amperes in this branch and 10 amperes in this branch. Successfully KVL is also 100% verified. We have been find the values of I1, I2, I3. So if you understand the problem, give a like and share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe our channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram, and this is a free channel for the development of students and faculty. Thank you for